If you want to change the row count of quick links in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to customize your new tab page so it looks cleaner, fits more of your favorite sites, or gives you a more minimal layout depending on your preference. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to your homepage or new tab page. On that page, look for the page settings icon. It usually appears like a small gear icon and it's typically found near the top right area of the page. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the page customization options. Once the settings panel opens, look for the quick links section. This is where Edge lets you control how your shortcuts appear on the start page. You'll see a drop-down option for the row count, and from there you can change the number of rows based on your preference. If you want a more compact layout, choose fewer rows. If you want to see more shortcuts at once, select a higher row count. After selecting your preferred row count, the change should apply automatically. In many cases, you'll immediately notice the quick links section update on the page. If it doesn't refresh right away, simply close the panel or open a new tab again to confirm the layout has changed. And that's it. You've now changed the row count of quick links in Microsoft Edge. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how organized and useful your homepage feels. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.